Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into something a bit different, a product that's not your typical beauty item, but one that definitely has a niche following. The 5-gallon pure copper alembic still from Copperholic. If you're into distilling whiskey, moonshine, essential oils, or even experimenting with home distillation, this might be something you want to learn more about. So let's break down what this product is, how it performs, and whether it's worth the investment. To start, the Copperholic 5-gallon Alembic Still is a traditional distillation device made from pure copper and designed for various applications like alcohol distilling, essential oils, and hydrodistillation. It's handcrafted by skilled artisans who bring years of experience to the table. This isn't just any distillation kit. It's an heirloom quality tool meant for serious enthusiasts. The still comes with a built-in thermometer that measures temperature in both Celsius and Fahrenheit, which is an essential feature when it comes to distilling. Ensuring the right temperature can make or break your distilling process, so it's good to have that precision. Plus, the condenser has an additional outlet, making it easier to empty or circulate water when necessary, which is a thoughtful design choice that enhances its usability. When it comes to materials, the Copperholic still is made from heavy-gauge pure copper, known for its superior heat conductivity. This allows for better control over the distillation process, improving the purity and quality of whatever you're creating. The use of copper is also known to enhance the scent, especially when it comes to essential oils. You get the best of both worlds, a functional and aesthetic piece that performs exceptionally well. Now let's talk about using the still. This tool is a bit on the heavy side, weighing around 10 pounds, but it's still portable enough for someone to move around as needed. Its dimensions, 75 centimeters in height, 32 centimeters in length, and 65 centimeters in width, give you a solid size capacity of 20 liters, making it suitable for larger batches. But is it easy to use? In my experience, setting it up was straightforward. There's no need to purchase additional parts, which is a big plus. Everything you need to get started is included in the box. Once set up, the still performed well with no issues. The thermometer was a huge help in maintaining the proper temperature, and I had no trouble getting the water circulating properly thanks to the extra outlet in the condenser. Let's get into the pros and cons. On the pro side, the Copperholic Alembic Still stands out for its high-quality craftsmanship. The handmade design gives it a personal touch, and it's clear that this tool is built to last. The pure copper used ensures an even heat distribution, which is key for successful distillation. Plus, the multi-use functionality, whether you're distilling alcohol, essential oils, or doing hydrodistillation, makes this a versatile investment. The additional features, like the built-in thermometer and easy-to-empty condenser, also add to its overall convenience. On the flip side, the size and weight may be a little cumbersome for some people, especially if you're limited on space or don't need to distill in large batches. Also, while it's designed to be easy to use, it's not exactly a beginner-friendly tool. You'll need some knowledge of distillation techniques to get the most out of it. So, is it worth the price? The Copperholic 5-gallon Alembic Still certainly delivers on quality and performance, and its price reflects that. If you're a serious distiller or have a particular interest in making your own spirits or oils, this product is well worth the investment. The pure copper construction alone is a major selling point, as it ensures durability and a better distillation process over cheaper alternatives made from lower quality metals. However, if you're just starting out or only plan on distilling in small batches, you might want to look for more affordable options that are better suited to beginners or lighter use. As for product alternatives, there are definitely some other distilling kits out there that come at a lower price point, but they might not offer the same level of craftsmanship or functionality. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are still quality options made from stainless steel, but be aware that you might be sacrificing some of the heat conductivity and aesthetics of copper. In terms of build quality, the Copperholic Alembic Still is rock solid. The craftsmanship is evident in every aspect, from the copper construction to the brass handles. This is the kind of tool that, if properly cared for, could last for generations. To wrap it all up, The Copperholic 5-gallon Alembic Still is a fantastic choice for seasoned distillers looking for a high-quality, reliable tool. Its premium craftsmanship, versatile use, and impressive performance make it stand out from the competition. However, if you're just dabbling in distillation or need something more compact, it might not be the best fit. But for those who want the full experience, it's a worthwhile investment. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used this product or have any questions, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. And remember, stay beautiful inside and out.